What's up, everybody? Hope you enjoyed that little intro. One of those didn't really want to do snow type of things. Thought I'd share it with you. And also I thought I'd share with you a little bit more about the project that we're doing. Realized that I had not really explained why or much history about it. So I'm going to do that today. We decided we were going to get a bus. Sounded like a fun family thing to do. Shopped around for a while. We found that one. Did have some problems when we got it. It had a serious oil leak from the push rod tubes, and I was able to repair that, and then we went camping a couple of short excursions, and inevitably every time we took it out it broke down. So what finally made me decide to do the conversion, we went on a trip about 5 hours from home with the family, and we broke down in the middle of the desert pretty much. Limped it home. Not sure how we made it exactly, but when I got home, discovered that once I tore down the engine that the heads were bad, and the prices for a Type 4 rebuild is astronomical. I figured that I could do a Subaru conversion for less money than to rebuild the air-cooled. Gain, horsepower, reliability, parts availability, all these pluses. Did my research. At the time, there was not a lot out there. There were a few guys on YouTube doing a couple things. Mick at Busaroo, got a lot of inspiration from his channel. Some vlogs, and just kind of surfed the web for everything that I could find. Did it really rushed, got it done quickly. I think I got the conversion done in, I don't know, maybe 2.5, 3 weeks, something like that. Took the bus on a family vacation to Washington. I think we did 3,000 plus miles, zero problems. So a win in my book, a big win. The word got out a little bit, and a gentleman asked me to do a conversion on his bus. You can see some of that here, the belly mount conversion that I did, and that one cools phenomenally, and took my time on that one and did a lot of other things to that bus as well. I did brakes, suspension stuff, interior, stereo, on and on and on. Turned out really well. I think the gentleman was really happy with it, and I'm glad that he is. That led to the thought of maybe I should share this with the world, share some of what I'm doing, maybe to inspire, give people ideas, maybe give people some confidence to try this stuff. I don't have any formal training. I just am a car guy, and I like old vehicles, and I'm not afraid to give it a shot. So I may not do everything correctly, but I do it the best way that I know how. So this kind of led to, hey, let's do a YouTube channel. Let's share with the world, with you, how I do some of these things. And I decided that I would do, some little how-tos. I've done a little bit of that, and then the idea came, let's do Project Bus. Let's take my bus and let's do body work on it. Something I've wanted to do for a long time. And let's paint it, and let's do it at home as a DIY, as a novice, and see how it goes. And I'm gonna make mistakes, I know I will. Hopefully there will be some inspiration for people, maybe some help for me. I mean, if you know something that I'm doing and it looks completely wrong, put it in the comments, let me know. I would love to hear that. Or if you have a tip that maybe, hey, if you did this, it might be easier. Anything like that would be greatly appreciated. But that's the plan. That's what I want to do. I want to take this bus, revamp it, make it pretty, make it what I want. And when I do this, all the work will be mine. I have a huge problem with paying people to do things for me. It's not my nature. If I feel that I can do something, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do it. I can't justify taking it to somebody and paying them to do it for me. That's just how I am. It's how I've always been, and that's why I'm choosing to do this. I'm a busy guy. I have a full-time job. I'm a parent. I have 3 kids. This is in my part-time, my nights, my weekends. So I will try to stay as consistent as possible. I'm trying to stay on a Thursday schedule for my uploads. And then maybe if this vlog type of scenario works out, maybe I'll start doing this as well. feedback would be great. Everybody who's subscribed and is supporting the channel, I appreciate it greatly. You know, YouTube has changed their criteria as to how somebody can monetize their channel, which is get paid with ads and that. And I need 1,000 subscribers to get there. At the time that this video goes up, I have a little over 100. So please share if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you enjoy it. Comment, all of those things. The likes, all of those things helps my video gets out there. Helps other people be reached by it. And hopefully I can get some information out that people want. That's kind of why I'm doing all this. Coffee. And you know, I'm trying to show some of my creative side. Give me an outlet to share some of that with you guys. So again, please like, subscribe, share. You can follow us on the FaceTubes at SV's Auto. We're on Instagram at SV's Auto. And then I'm also putting links in the description below for some of the products that I use. You can check those out. They should be in all of my videos. All of that helps support the channel, and I do appreciate it greatly. I would love to continue to do this. I hope that it helps inspire some people. You know, these old vehicles they have character. My daily driver is an '82 Toyota diesel pickup. You know, I like new cars, but I love old cars. I like working on them, and I like trying to save them and getting them back on the road and making them look like they did, or even different, you know, maybe modernize them a little, all of that kind of stuff. And I have projects lined up. This isn't the only one. I have this bus, but I have my Toyota diesel, which needs body work. I have an old pickup truck, which I think I want to do a little video on and share with you guys. I have another Toyota surprise that I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I have an old Rabbit that you've seen. You know, I have a lot of vehicles that I would like to do some things with, and if I can get this channel to take off, you know, I would love to keep sharing those projects with you. So again, like, subscribe, share, check out the links. At the time that this video goes live, episode 3 went up. I have several more episodes filmed that I'm editing. This is a one-man show, with the exception of Jeremy, and that's my oldest son. I do all the camera work, all the computer work, all the editing, and it's a lot. The support that I get from you makes it worth it to me. So please continue, and thanks for everybody who's subscribed, and we'll see you next time.